2027 Mercedes-AMG CLE 53 represents a bold evolution in the world of modern performance coupes, where aggressive engineering meets refined luxury. Designed to replace both the C-Class and E-Class coupes, this AMG-tuned machine delivers a compelling blend of speed, style, and sophistication, making it one of the most exciting two-door offerings in Mercedes-Benz current lineup. At first glance, the CLE 53 captures attention with its muscular yet elegant design. The long hood, sculpted body lines, and signature AMG Panamericana grille give it a commanding presence on the road. Wider fenders and a lower stance emphasize its performance DNA, while sleek LED lighting and quad exhaust outlets reinforce its sporty identity. It's a car that doesn't just sit still, it looks fast even when parked. Under the hood lies the heart of the beast, a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine, enhanced by AMG engineers to produce around 443 horsepower. This engine is paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, which adds extra boost and improves responsiveness. The result? Lightning-fast acceleration, with 0 to 60 miles per hour achieved in just about 3.5 seconds, putting it firmly in high-performance territory. Unlike traditional AMG models of the past that relied heavily on roaring V8 engines, the CLE 53 embraces a more modern approach. While some enthusiasts may miss the thunderous sound of a V8, the inline-six delivers a smoother, more refined power delivery without sacrificing performance. It's a shift that reflects the industry's move toward efficiency and electrification, yet still maintains the thrill expected from AMG. Performance isn't just about speed, it's also about control. The CLE 53 features AMG-tuned adaptive suspension, all-wheel drive, 4MATIC+, and precise steering that make it incredibly agile on twisty roads. Whether you're carving through corners or cruising on the highway, the car adapts seamlessly. In Sport and Sport Plus modes, the suspension stiffens and the throttle sharpens, delivering a more aggressive driving experience. Switch to Comfort mode, and the ride becomes more relaxed, perfect for daily use. Inside, the CLE 53 continues to impress with a cabin that blends cutting-edge technology with premium materials. The interior features a large 11.9-inch touchscreen paired with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, both powered by Mercedes-Benz's latest MBUX infotainment system. Voice commands, smartphone integration, and even built-in apps like Spotify and Zoom make the car feel as connected as it is powerful. AMG-specific touches elevate the experience further. Expect carbon fiber trim, sporty seats with aggressive bolstering, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and bold stitching details. The overall ambience is both luxurious and performance-focused, exactly what you'd expect from a six-figure German coupe. However, the CLE 53 isn't without its compromises. As a two-door coupe, rear seat space is limited, making it less practical for passengers on longer journeys. Additionally, while the infotainment system is advanced, some users may find its touch-sensitive controls a bit distracting at first. Fuel efficiency is also modest, which is expected given its performance capabilities. Pricing is estimated to start between $78,000 and $88,000, positioning the CLE 53 against rivals like the BMW M440i and Audi S5. Despite the competition, the AMG badge, striking design, and engaging driving dynamics give it a unique edge. In the end, the 2027 Mercedes-AMG CLE 53 is more than just a replacement for older coupe models. It's a statement of where performance cars are headed. It combines electrified efficiency with classic AMG excitement, wrapped in a package that's both luxurious and thrilling. For drivers who want a modern sports coupe that balances power, technology, and everyday usability, the CLE 53 stands out as a compelling choice.